Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Benjamin and today we are talking about how to write an article. An article is a piece of writing that discusses an issue of public interest, and that is why you usually find an article in a newspaper or magazine. Article writing has become a very lucrative venture, especially in today's information-driven global economy. So it is important to learn how to write an article, not just for academic purposes, but even for business purposes, because as a blogger or a website manager or a digital or content writer, of course, you need to be knowledgeable about writing articles because articles are important content that will drive traffic to every good website or blog. So having said that, I would implore you to kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will receive instant notification and you will have free access to all the videos I upload on this channel. Now let's get started with the steps for writing an article. Now, one of the major steps is to create an outline. An outline is a product of the pre-writing stage, and when you have created an outline contains all the things that are required to be in an article, and we want to look at this today. An article will begin with a headline. Your headline is your topic or the title, and the headline needs to be an attention-grabbing one, because when people are reading through a newspaper or magazine or a blog or website, they are searching for the headline that will catch their attention, and when they see a very interesting headline, they will want to read it. So the headline needs to be very catchy or attention grabbing. And having done that, then the next thing is the introduction. Your introduction is the first paragraph, and it is meant to introduce the topic. The introductory paragraph should contain at least 4 essential ingredients, namely the subject matter, the thesis, the enumeration, and the intro. The subject matter gives the main idea of what the article is all about. Is just like naming exactly what you are talking about. That's what the subject matter is about. If you are talking about content writing, then say something about content writing that is really important, that shows that the article is worth writing. Why should somebody read the article? Why is the topic important? That is what the subject matter should address. Then the thesis is the central message, because usually a topic is wide, is broad. You need to narrow it to a particular angle so that you will be able to talk about it. If you are discussing a problem or a social problem, then you can talk about the causes, the effects, and the solution. And usually you may not have all the time in the world to discuss all these aspects together. You may choose to talk about only the causes, or you may choose to talk about the causes and the remedy. So that is what your thesis is going to specify, from which angle you are talking about the article. And then, having done that, the enumeration is the product of your of your brainstorming, I mean, when you think about a topic, you jot down the points, the key points you want to discuss, and these key points will be contained in your enumeration. In the first paragraph, you just use a sentence to enumerate these points. And having done that, the next is the intro, which signifies that you are through with introducing the topic and you are now transiting to the next paragraph. Now, the body of your article is made up of several paragraphs. It could be 3 paragraphs, as we have in this illustrative outline. We have paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4 constituting the body of the article. And when you start to write the body of your article, in paragraph 2, you discuss point 1 of your enumeration. Let's assume that you are discussing the causes of road accidents, or the causes or the effects of drug addiction, and so on and so forth. Or you are talking about possibly different ways of monetizing your content online. So you enumerate that, you have enumerated these points, and then you begin with the first point on your list. In paragraph 2, you discuss that point 1. In paragraph 3, you discuss point 2. And in paragraph 4, you discuss point 3. And once you are through with discussing these points, then in your next paragraph, which is paragraph 5, you summarize, because that is where you have your conclusion. You summarize the key points. Now, if you have talked about the causes of a social problem, then what you need to do here is, after you have summarized the key points, then you can make a recommendation. You can provide a solution to the problem you have identified, and then you restate your thesis, that is, emphasize the major points that the article is all about. And once you have done that, that is the conclusion of your article. Now, today you have learned how to write an article, and in subsequent lectures we shall be looking at practical examples. We can take practical topics and attempt to discuss them specifically. So that is how it has been in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to this channel, you are encouraging me to upload more videos that will be useful to a lot of people out there. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Click also on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will receive instant notification. God bless you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.